I said to my wife, maybe we should complement a garden with a conservatory. So I started searching on the internet about conservatory, and then I come across with the advertisement of ConservatoryLand, and I like how they did it. The system of ConservatoryLand is a lot different from the conventional one, wherein you have to dig a lot of foundation. It's so messy in the garden, and a lot of hard work is involved. With ConservatoryLand, it's just like buying something from IKEA, just on a bigger scale. Yeah, I decided to do it myself because from the video it doesn't seem to look so difficult, and also to save some money in the installation, because I have a quotation from a different installer. They are so expensive. So I said, this simple thing, I can do it myself. I found the whole construction experience very straightforward. The kit is complete. You don't have to cut anything else. Everything is cut into proper dimension. So all you need to do is put them together. Well, I feel so proud every time there is a friend coming in, a visitor, relatives. I can always say, oh, I built this. This is my work.